Are you tired of feeling helpless against the relentless march of time? Watching your eyesight deteriorate and wondering if there's anything you can do to stop it? You're not alone. Millions of us are searching for ways to protect our vision and maintain our quality of life as we age. Today, I'm going to show you how something as simple as adding berries to your diet can help preserve your vision, and even reverse some of the damage that you didn't think was possible to heal. Let us dive deeper into this amazing superfood and discover how incorporating it into your daily routine can make a real difference. Berries, particularly blueberries, have long been celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, ranging from boosting brain function to supporting heart health. But did you know that these tiny fruits also hold immense potential for eye care? Let's explore the unique advantages that berries offer for maintaining healthy vision. One of the key components of berries that makes them so beneficial for eyes is their high concentration of antioxidants, or substances that protect your cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including those in your eyes. As we age or face environmental stressors, our bodies produce more free radicals, increasing the risk of eye diseases like cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. The powerful antioxidants in berries such as anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C and E help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of these debilitating conditions. By incorporating berries into your diet, you can provide your body with these essential helping to combat oxidative stress and safeguard your eye health. Another advantage of berries for eye health is their rich nutrient content. Berries are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall eye health. They are particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining good vision. Vitamin C supports blood vessel health, ensuring proper nourishment to the eyes. Vitamin A is vital for night vision and maintaining the health of the retina. Meanwhile, vitamin E protects against oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration. Consuming a diet rich in berries can help meet your daily nutrient requirements, promoting optimal eye health and reducing the risk of vitamin deficiencies that may compromise your vision. But the benefits of berries extend beyond their antioxidant and nutrient content. These tiny fruits also contain unique compounds that offer specific advantages for eye health. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their vibrant colors, have been shown to improve blood flow to the eyes. Better blood circulation ensures that vital oxygen and nutrients reach the retina and other eye tissues, promoting overall eye health. Additionally, anthocyanins have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the eyes, which is associated with various eye diseases. By incorporating anthocyanin-rich berries into your diet, you can help combat inflammation and protect your eyes against a range of conditions. So how can you best incorporate berries into your diet to maximize their benefits for your eyes? Well, start by adding them to your breakfast. You can toss a handful of berries into your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. These small additions not only boost the nutritional value of your meals, but also provide a delicious burst of flavor. Throughout the day, snack on fresh berries or keep a stash of frozen berries handy for a quick and nutritious snack. You can also use berries to create healthy dips or sauces that you can enjoy with whole grain crackers or vegetables. For a delightful dessert, opt for baked or grilled fruit topped with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of low-fat ice cream. These simple yet delicious treats satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your eyes. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of berries for your eyes. Aim to include a variety of berries in your diet regularly to ensure you obtain the full range of antioxidants and nutrients they offer. As we age, preserving our vision becomes an increasingly important aspect of maintaining our quality of life. Incorporating berries into our diets provides a simple, delicious, and effective way to support eye health. The potent rich nutrient content and unique eye protective compounds found in berries offer a natural approach to safeguarding our vision, from combating oxidative stress to improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Berries provide a multitude of benefits that can help prevent and manage various eye diseases. So let us embrace the vibrant colors and delightful flavors of berries, knowing that each bite is a step towards preserving the gift of sight.